So, two things in this video. I'm going to be showing you my new concealer. I grabbed the Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer. So, first things first is let's check this out. So the applicator is quite small for my liking. Not sure about this, but let's see what it's like. Okay, it's quite creamy. It's definitely different to like my normal concealer, which is the Tate shape. But okay, I feel like you have to put quite a lot on as well. Now, yeah, but I have to put quite a lot on. Okay, so I feel like when you blend it in, it's kind of disappearing. So on the other concealers that I have, you don't really get this. You get like more of a nice bright light, like a brightness under your eyes. But with this, I feel like what I've just put on has just gone. Like, can you see that what I've just put on is just not there? To probably put quite a lot on, which isn't ideal for easiness. I like to grab my concealer and just be able to. Okay, so yeah, that's disappeared. That's not good for me. Okay, so it's a no. It's a no from me. I don't like this. It's not bad. It's not a bad thing. I mean, it hasn't left like weird marks on my face or anything, but that's definitely not very good. It's not very good for like brightness under your eyes at all. So no, that's not good. So obviously I done the phone on the iPhone X. Now what's happened is I had the iPhone X, I had it for about 3 days, maybe 4, and I don't like it. I had it for 3 or 4 days and I was absolutely lost without my 7 Plus. There's no home button. There's a weird thing at the top. I'll put a picture. There's a weird thing at the top which just reminds me of a screen protector where you just want to peel it, if you know what I mean. So the camera was okay. Nothing stood out to me. The animojis was awesome, but I'm not going to have pay over the odds for a phone with just the animojis. So I really missed the size of my old phone. It was too small for me and it just did not wow me at all. So what I did is I sent the phone back and I'm just going to still use the iPhone 7 Plus. I find this phone is perfect for what I need. I feel like it's perfect for like when I do my YouTubing and stuff, and if I forget my camera, that's the phone that I use. This phone for YouTube, for vlogging. It's perfect for the work I do on my phone as well. Answering emails, it's definitely the best. So yeah, I definitely missed the phone. So that is my decision and update on the iPhone X. I'm not going to continue with it. I may get it in the future, I don't know. It may wow me again in the future, but for me, I'm happy with what I've got. So for any of you that are looking to get the iPhone X, that's my views. Obviously I don't know anything, you know, this is just my opinion and my views. If you like it, that is entirely fine. There's a lot of people out there like it, there's a lot of people that dislike it. For what I do on my phone, I prefer my iPhone 7 Plus. So yes. So I'm definitely going to be keeping this phone. I'm definitely happy with it. I think the camera's really good, and I like the size of the phone. I love the size of the phone. I would never go back to a 6, and I'm like a 7. I'd never go back to a 7 or an 8. I love the size of the Plus, and maybe if the iPhone X Plus comes out, then I might go for it. But for now, I love this phone. I'm very happy with it. I was also trying to explain earlier in the car that at the moment I am actually, obviously I was having some trouble with the my thyroid because my levels are not very good at the moment. So I was looking in my cupboards and I thought, right, what can I drink? What can I start drinking that will help me and stuff? Because I'm on my medication, but no matter how much levels or whatever they're coming out with now, the doctors and stuff, it's not helping. It's not helping my levels. It's not helping my energy levels. My energy levels are sucking, like they're so bad lately. I feel like poo. So I was looking through my cupboards and I thought, what can I drink? And I come across this vitamin thing. It's in like a tube. You just put it with water like this. It's just one little tablet. You just put in some water and then you just shake it up. And it's just so good. I feel incredible. I feel great. It tastes like orange juice basically. It just tastes like weak orange juice. It's really weird, but it's really nice. It's got all the vitamins. I can't remember, I think it's vitamin D and vitamin C and stuff, but I am gonna really crack on with my vitamins because I think people are right. They do make you feel better. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
And a voice in your speaker right now, that's me, that's me. And a voice in your ear, that's me. Can't you see that I made it?